Let's start off with an icebreaker game, quick little game to understand what you do a little more. So this is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. So Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on each tweet, at least historically,
Right.
Which makes it difficult to convey your thoughts sometimes. And the idea here is it takes about 20 seconds to speak to 80 characters, and that's the challenge that
sure?
we transfer to
Yes,
you.
we tried.
Which is to explain to us spare rate in 20 seconds, but you also need to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet.
Okay.
Got
Awesome.
it?
Yeah.
Cool. So she's got something to intimidate you, which is the timer.
Yeah.
And whenever you're ready, your time starts now.
Okay, so at Spare8, we're trying to build an entire financial inclusion stack with an asset class that everyone's very comfortable with, which is gold. So hence, we let users lease on interest, invest, and save in gold, period. The emoji will be a rocket, and the hashtag would be Ab India Karega Invest.
It was 18 seconds, but I went a little over. But that's pretty good, yeah?
Thank God.